Click on File. Go to Release. Click on Setup. Click on Next. Click on Browse and select the path of the file, which should be an E drive or D drive. Select Everyone option below. Click on Next. Now the setup is installed. So, click on More Properties. Click on Properties. Go to Compatibility. Click on Change Setting for all users. Select the option. Run this program as administrator. Now your setup is completed. Click